Hey guys, so welcome to today's video. But before we start, I just wanted to say a few things. I am recording videos. I have a lot of videos to post. I just haven't edited them, so I'm going to be editing them soon. So there's a lot of videos for the Lancer, for the Z, and the newest build, the van. So I'm building this van, and I am really excited to be posting the van videos because they're fun to make, and I'm learning a lot doing it. And I think we're going to be able to get a lot of new people into the channel. Because I'm used to like modifying cars and stuff like that, but this is like next level, and I'm excited to share this with you guys. So the van is going to be a majority of the videos for a while, just because I want to get it done as fast as possible, but I do have a lot of videos to post for the Lancer and the Z as well, including today's video. So for those of you that have been watching the videos for a long time, I've been asking like where I've been, why I haven't been posting. Sorry for that. I had to take a break from YouTube and from cars just because I was focusing on school and starting my career. Cars and YouTube are my hobby, they're not my life, so sometimes you have to take a step back and put your priorities first, and that's exactly what I did. And with that being said, I just graduated, I started a new job, I've been working there for 8 months, so I'm at a good place right now, and I want to go back to making videos. I'm done with my hiatus. I just want to go back to making videos, working on cars, and just having fun. This is a fun hobby, and I made a lot of memories and friends that I've made along the way, and it's just really fun to do. That's it. I hope you guys understand why I took a break, but I'm back. I'm gonna be making more videos now. For those of you that care, those of you that wanted to know, that's what's going on. But yeah, I'm back, and let's just get started with today's video, guys. Thank you. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to today's video. It's gonna be the intro. So what we're doing is putting a quick release steering wheel into my 350Z. So this steering wheel is special because it's a LZMFG steering wheel. My brother got it for me for Christmas, so shout out to my brother Joel. We're gonna be using all NRG parts, so we're gonna be linking everything down in the description down below if you guys want to get it yourself. Let's just get started with showing you what I got. Okay guys, so sorry about the shadow, but here's what we got. So we have the NRG quick release right here, and then we have the hub for the 350Z. So that's what you're gonna need if you guys want these. They're linked down below. And then this is the steering wheel from LZMFG. So I'm gonna open this up and show you guys exactly how it looks. As you can see, we have the leather steering wheel right here. It says LZMFG on it, and right here, I guess this is the brand of the steering wheel. Just looks really sick. Then we have this button, and I don't know if you can see it well, but it has the frown face with the tongue sticking out, so that's actually really cool. And then the bolts to be installing it to the quick release. Also got a little Evo sticker, so that's pretty cool. Everything you're gonna need to install this steering wheel is in here, like wiring, bolts, nuts, everything. So let me just show you this one real quick. So this is the actual hub right here. So it comes out of the box like that. It has some wiring in here, and then what's actually really cool, it comes with all this wiring. So this wiring is meant for the 350Z, so this plug will plug in and then connect it so that the horn will work. So that's pretty cool, and I'll show you guys more in depth on that in a bit. Just want to show you guys an overview of what we have here. So this is the actual quick release, has the wiring for the horn. We have this here. That's pretty much it. If you haven't seen the 350Z in a while, or this is your first time seeing it, this is how it looks right now. So custom paint job. We have an HR hood on it. So there's a 06 rev up. I have a DE motor that I put in it, so not rev up anymore, but yeah, this is 06. Got the KBD Nismo front bumper on it. We have these beautiful raised Gram Lights 57s. It needs tint, but yeah, just a quick look at the car right now. We got a Tomei on it, of course, but yeah, this is how the car is looking right now. Pretty clean, pretty chill. I've actually been driving it a ton right now just because I can't drive the Lancer because the battery died on it. So yeah, there's also my van I've been working on, so I'm gonna be living in it, be posting videos on that too. I don't know if this video is going first or if the van series already started, but if you guys want to see more of this, make sure you subscribe and check out the videos. At the time of this video, right now I'm working on the framing, so this is how it looks like right now. Working on the framing, got the insulation in, got the windows in, did the floors, but yeah. This is Joel's BRZ, sitting nice and clean right here. in the driveway, and that this is my baby, my Lancer with the Evo body kit on it. It doesn't work right now because it needs a new battery, and I don't want to buy one because this van's killing me. But yeah guys, that's it of me talking. Joel's getting some b-roll for his channel. If you guys want to go subscribe to him, link to that's going to be below if he doesn't get me pissed off. Before we do actually get started, I want to show you guys the steering wheel that's in there right now. As you can see, it's the crustiest thing in the world. This is like peeling. Doesn't look good at all. They're pretty easy to remove. You just use your fingers. I didn't even use a flathead or anything. So now we're gonna get our star bits and see which one fits. So yeah, first time's a charm. We're gonna be using this T27. And I almost forgot, make sure you disconnect your battery for at least like 5-10 minutes before you take the airbag off. I almost forgot to do that. Let's do that real quick. All right guys, so battery's disconnected, so let's just start loosening the bolts. Scary. Oh, they are on. Okay guys, just like that. Alright. Yeah, it's just like that. We got the airbag out. What we're going to be doing next is removing these wires. So we're going to unclip them, and then after that we're going to be taking that big nut out.
What did he say?
It's going to be a 19 millimeter. Before we do that, let's make sure the steering wheel is straight. Okay, so all that is out. Now first thing, make sure your steering wheel is straight. That was easy. I'm gonna take the rest of the nut out. And yeah, there we go. Steering wheel's out. Okay guys, now I'm gonna go get the hub and we're gonna be installing that. Okay, so here's the hub that I was showing you guys earlier. The wiring's in here as well as a high chew for some reason. I have nowhere to put it. Basically one clip that we need, and we're gonna be putting that in right now. Untangling this real quick, and then it's just gonna be a direct fit right here. So yep, so we're gonna be needing this for the horn. And now what we're gonna be doing is installing this. So there's a little mark right here. This is how you know this is the top. You want to line this up with this little line that's right here. Before we do that, I'm just gonna be putting in the wiring, so putting all that through, and now just eyeing it. So we got it in place. I'm gonna try pushing it as far as I could, but it's not really pushing it anymore, so I'm just gonna put the screw in and then have this push the rest in for me. I'm just gonna do it nice and slow. We got this. This is for our ground. First, I'm gonna just put it through like that. So this yellow one connects here to this. Connect that. And now this piece is just gonna connect here to this. So that's all connected. So now we're just gonna move all these wires in here. When you're putting this in, you want to make sure you line them up first. I didn't do that earlier. Make sure you line them up, make sure all the holes are free, and then you want to put these in. Get your screws. So we're done inside the car. Now what we're going to be doing is connecting the steering wheel to the hub. So I'm just going to put it right here. Just set this on top. Screw these in first. And we're all finished. Thing on it? I think so. Alright. We connected the quick release to the steering wheel. I left this part out just because I want to make sure that the horn works. I just use a T-tap to get it in there. Definitely gonna have to cut this 'cause I don't want it to hit that and make a connection. So I'm gonna cut that, but I just want to make sure it works real quick before I do. I'm just gonna connect the battery real quick. Good. Okay, so I'm just gonna cut this and then we'll be good. Oh yeah. Give one more time. So as you can see, we got the quick release in. So I'm just gonna take this. First time trying it one-handed. Look at that. Look at that. Looks so good. I love this. With the interior really good. Yeah, it does. All black interior, a little bit of white, a little bit. Here's the final product. It's pretty simple to do. Honestly, I made it a little harder than it was supposed to. Dude, I freaking love this steering wheel. I want to say thank you to my brother. He got it for me for Christmas. As you saw from before, definitely needed it. But man, this thing looks so clean. So I used like a shower hook to put this on. Then I just zip tied it underneath on this thing. I'm gonna probably paint this. I'm gonna take it off and paint it black or maybe white to match the shift knob. We'll see. Look how low the car is right now. Like it's literally touching the grass. Okay guys, so that's gonna be it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed watching it. Big shout out to my brother again for the steering wheel and helping me install it. My brother's also was recording for his channel. So if you guys want to see like more raw footage and just like how fun it was to install it, go to his channel. But that's gonna be it for today's video, guys. I'll see you in the next one. If you liked what you saw, make sure you guys like the video, and if you want some more, just subscribe. Everything we installed today is going to be linked in the description down below if you guys want to purchase this yourselves. So yeah, that's going to be it for me. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.